Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Zilliqa is doing today. So, looking at the daily chart, I mentioned a while back that this could be a potential cup and handle pattern. The handle has not formed yet, so we have to wait. We have to wait until it forms, so let's just break this down. I mentioned the struggle was going to be the 23% retracement, and it looks like we are struggling breaking the 23% retracement. But if we hold above this, then more likely we're going to hit the neckline or the top of the cup, whatever you want to call it. And if we break above that, dude, we're going to make some money. That's just the bottom line. So we're not there yet. So let's just kind of draw some fibs from what? March 13th low to what? The swing high of June 11. So drawing the fibs, we had from this swing low to the swing high, we're struggling to break the 38% retracement, so we're holding right below that. And right after that, we got that 23% retracement from this bigger swing, from the swing from what, July 25th of 2018. So what, 2 years ago? So that is a pretty important fib, and I think that's one of the reasons why we haven't broke this particular level, the 0.020. It's a pretty big fib. Now, RSI is looking a little bit bearish, which is it's okay. I don't think we're gonna have a huge pullback, and I mean right now the alts are pretty bullish altogether, so I don't think we're too much to worry about at this particular time. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. That way, that channel reach out to 7 billion people. Help out the channel so we can build a huge community and we can stop using the crooks, the bankers. That being said, if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the crypto markets. So that being said, I'm liking what I'm seeing right now because it looks like we tried to retest the 50% retracement, and now buyers are bidding up the price. You know, a lot of times, it depends on the situation, but a lot of times when this happens, when the buyers bid up the price and we have this massive wig, a lot of times it's like a slingshot, you know, and then we blast through all this resistance. So that's definitely what I want to see right now. If we break above the 23% retracement, and then you're going to have a little bit of resistance at 0.0239, which will be another 23% retracement from the swing low of March 13 to the June 11 high. That one is not as important, but you know, it's a few months of building up. And then you're gonna encounter a bigger resistance because it's the cup and handle forming. If it forms, and then definitely we're going all the way to the 61% retracement of this 2-year swing, and that puts us at a 0.05100. So we have some room to go to the upside. Now, like I always say, before we get excited how much money we're going to make, price action needs to tell us that we're going there. Price action currently is not telling us that we're going all the way there. So that is something to keep in mind at this particular time. If we break lower, then I can see being the 61% retracement, so 0.0129 being your line in the sand. And the reason why I say that, because by the time this drifts lower, the 200-day moving average will be right there. If that is the case, then more likely this pattern will be invalidated. We just have to kind of wait and see how long it would take to form to get there, because more likely this whole pattern will be invalidated and this target will be invalidated, at least according to the pattern. So we just have to wait and see. Right now I wouldn't do anything because risk to reward doesn't check out. If you were to enter here, you gotta put your stop loss technically from the previous low. You're more likely, you're right at a 50% retracement, so more likely will be this previous low, and then your reward will be so far high and you have so many layers of resistance that to me it's not worth it. I'd rather stand aside, either breaking the 23% retracement of the 2-year swing, and then trying to catch it there, or waiting until we break the neckline of the pattern. And then, yeah, sometimes you leave money on the table, but remember, you only have X amount of ammunition, and if you use it all in one setup, and then you're screwed. So that's just something to keep in mind. By the way, guys, if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're also trying to figure out how often we're going to post a video, so just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. In the private chat, we're posting every day, keeping everyone updated, so just leave that on the comments below how often you guys want to see them. Thanks again, guys.